Dear children, let's listen the story about the clever jackal. Once upon a time, a tiger was caught in a trap. He tried and tried to get out, but the trap was very strong and he could not get through the bars. So you see in this picture, the tiger is caught in a trap and is trying to come out, but he cannot do so because the trap is very strong and the bars are blocking him from his way. So he could not get out through the bars. Just then an old man came walking by. An old man comes on his way where the tiger was caught. On that way, an old man came walking by. The tiger cried out, "Let me out, my friend. Let me out of this awful trap." So the tiger cries out loud, "Help me to come out of this awful trap." "No," said the old man, "you will eat me up." So when the tiger requested him to take him out of the trap, what did the old man say? "No, if I leave you out of the trap, you will eat me." So the old man denies to open the trap to let the tiger out. "No, no," said the tiger. "I shall be your friend and servant." Then he cried and cried until the old man at last opened the door. The tiger says, "No, no, I will not eat you. I will be your friend and your servant." Servant meaning whatever you say, I will do it. I will serve you. And he cries and cries till the old man feels sad for the tiger and he opens the door. So what happens here? At last the old man opened the door for the tiger. The tiger immediately caught hold of the old man. "You fool!" roared the tiger. "Now I shall eat you up." So you see in the picture, as soon as the old man opens the door, the tiger jumps over him and caught hold of the old man. And the tiger says, "You are fool, you fool," roared the tiger. Why does he say you fool? Because the old man believed that the tiger will not eat him. And the tiger says, "Now I shall eat you up." The old man started to cry and the tiger said, "All right, I shall let you go. But first ask for help from the three things you see. If they agree to help you, I shall let you go." You see in the picture, the old man is requesting the tiger not to eat him and to leave him. And the tiger says, "All right, I will leave you. I shall let you go. But first, ask for help from the three things you see." The tiger says, But first, what you should do? You should request three things to help you. Whatever you see, you should ask the help from the three things. If they agree to help you, I shall let you go. I will leave you. If the three things agree to help you from me, I will leave you. The old man asked a great tree in forest for help. But the tree laughed. You are lucky, said the tree. People eat my leaves and cut my branches. Go away. So the old man requested the tree for a help. It was a great tree in the forest. The old man requested the tree, asked the tree to help him from the tiger. But the tree laughs and says, You are lucky, said the tree. But see at me, look at me. People eat my leaves and they cut my branches. People harm me, they hurt me. Go away. The tree says the old man, Go away. The old man saw a bullock pulling water from a well. He asked the bullock for help. You are lucky, old man, said the bullock. I work all day and get little to eat. The old man sees a bullock was pulling water from the well. And the old man asked the bullock, Please help me from the tiger. What does the bullock say? The bullock says that you are lucky, old man, said the bullock. I work all day and get little to eat. But look at me. After working all day, I get only little to eat. So the bullock also doesn't help the old man. Then the old man said to the road, O road, tell the tiger to let me free. And the third thing the old man requested was the road. He says, O road, tell the tiger to let me free. Never, said the road. You are lucky. Look at me. People walk and ride on me. They throw rubbish on me. Go back to the tiger. Even the road denies to help the tiger. The road says, No, you are lucky. And look at me. People walk and they throw rubbish on me. People walk and ride on me. They throw rubbish on me. So now you go back to the tiger. He was sad, but he was also honest. He walked back to the tiger. On the way, he met a jackal. Now, old man is sad because the three things did not help the old man. So the first thing was the tree. Second thing he requested was the bullock. And the third thing was the road. All those three things denied to help the old man. Now the old man is sad and he is also honest because he goes back to the tiger. He's very sad and he's walking the way to meet the tiger. So on the way he met a jackal. Matter, old man? Asked the jackal. So the old man meets the jackal on a way. The jackal asks the old man, What's the matter? Why are you sad? The old man told him a story of the tiger. And now the tiger will eat me, he cried. The old man tells the story of the tiger. The tiger was caught in the trap and he went and helped the tiger. The tiger jumped over him and he asked me to request 3 things and nobody helped me. So now the tiger will eat me. All this story he narrates to the jackal. The jackal also felt sad. I will help you, he said and went with the old man to the tiger. So the jackal is ready to help the old man. So the jackal says, I will help you. Don't worry, I will help you. And he goes with the old man to meet the tiger. How did you get into the trap? In the beginning, he asked the tiger. So the jackal asked the tiger, how you were caught in the trap? You just demonstrate me. He asked the tiger. Like this, replied the tiger. And the tiger says, like this. I was caught in the trap. But how? Show me, said the jackal. But how you were caught in the trap? Show me. Just demonstrate and show. The tiger got into the trap and at once the jackal shut the door. So now the tiger showed him how he was caught in the trap. And what does the jackal do? When the tiger enters the trap, he closes the door. At once the jackal shut the door of the cage. Stay there, said the clever jackal, and he and the old man went away. Now the tiger is once again caught in the trap. Now the tiger cannot come out because the jackal has shut the door. The old man is safe now. So now stay there, says the clever jackal. And he and the old man, the jackal and the old man went away. So this was the story about the clever jackal. So the tiger cannot come out now because if he comes out, he will eat the old man. He will harm the people. So once again the tiger is caught in a trap and he could not come out. So now stay there, says the clever jackal, and he and the old man went away. From the Jataka Tales. This story was adopted from the Jataka Tales. Thank you.